everyone, we as DXRAD, a software company, are introducing a new program. It's for all freshers or less experienced people who can develop their own softwares using this RAD framework. So the framework consists of below things. Now we'll move to course details, as RAD stands for Rapid Application Development, in which technologies will come as we learn Figma, Bootstrap Studio, which includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we'll have backend technologies, Agile framework, API development or integration, plugins and gateway integrations like Google Pay, UPI, streaming, web, RTC, OCPP. Then we'll have the main heart of the program, the Cordova platform, which includes iOS and Android development. And lastly, the GIS platform. Now we will learn what we are going to teach you in Agile framework. Agile framework consists of the Scrum process, details like Scrum Master, Product Owner, what is user story, how many weeks the user story should go, like sprint backlog, planning, implementation review, sprint retrospective, and definition of the done. Definition of done is more similar as workable model, and the Scrum process will start from spike 0 to sprint n. Spike 0 is called a sprint 0. RAD framework will assure you to understand user story analyzation, in which you will be analyzing roles or actors, analyzing what is a ledger, what are vouchers, and how to generate a report from user story. Then in RAD you will also undergo a program to write a custom code generation and integration. Custom code generation and integration is same as API designing and calling. Third thing, you will configure the product, and lastly you will be placed on the real world scenario. That means the company is having all MNC projects, in-house projects, domestic projects. So you will be working on the live project as per the performance. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and for your interest in our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our latest events and discussions. We look forward to seeing you there.